Good morning, student. Myself, SPK, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we study about the chapter number 6, Math First. Yesterday we see the drawing of a histogram. Now today we are going to see the frequency polygon. In this frequency polygon, we can draw the frequency polygon by using the histogram and without using the histogram. Now we see the first example, that is the using the histogram, draw the frequency polygon. As shown the following table, by a frequency polygon, see the electricity bill is given here 0 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800. Now this table is which type of this table? This table is continuous table. So for the continuity we don't take attention. We take directly this table as it is, and frequency is 0 to 250, 300, 450, 350, 150 and 0. See, in example, the table is given between this 200 to 400 and 1000 to 1200. In between, this first class and this last class is not given in the example. You must add that first class, means increase this table on both sides, that is increase in first class. First class is this, then its previous class and its succeeding class, that is the 200 to 1200 to 1400, and take a frequency 0, 0. These last two classes are increased by own, and that is most important for the frequency polygon. Now we yesterday see that when drawing the histogram, we are not taking these last two classes having frequency 0. So in this frequency polygon, these two last classes are developed by us. So put their frequency 0, and class limit is as this given, that is the 200 to 400, means the width of this class is 200. So the width of this first class is also 200 and last class is also 200. So the width of all classes are the same. Then draw the histogram. Now we know about the drawing the histogram, that is we draw the rectangle for each of the classes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 classes are given, so we draw the 7 rectangles. See in this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the 5 rectangles we see, but here 0 to 200, the frequency is 0, means this rectangle height is 0. So that rectangle lie on the x-axis, and this last rectangle is also lie on the x-axis. So these two classes we see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way we get the 7 rectangle on x-axis. See here the from 0 to 200 and 0 to 0. Here the class limit or class width is not the same, so we put this sign, clink marks, and put here classes electricity bill and number of families on the y-axis, and draw the histogram first. And for drawing the frequency polygon, we must take the midpoint of the height of means this is the height and this is the base. Base means base and height. This base is here also. The base and upper side of the rectangle is same. Then take the midpoint of this rectangle is here 0 to 200 midpoint, then here 200 to 400 here midpoint, then here midpoint. Take each topper side midpoint of the rectangle and they join by the using scale. We get the frequency polygon. See, in this way we join the each rectangle midpoint, topper midpoint is the topper, then joined, then these two topper points are joined, then join these two topper points in this way, then join these two toppers point in this way, then join these two topper points. If we are not taking these two last classes zero frequency, then this frequency polygon is a line here. See, it started from here, and in below there is no line. So we increase these two classes. So this frequency polygon goes up to the x-axis, which is started from here x-axis and end on this point of the x-axis. Then we can see again one another example without drawing the histogram. Draw the frequency polygon. See, in this example the table is given here. Now in this table we must find out the class mark first. Then we use the class mark and frequency, and then take a point in xy plane here x, and this is the y, xy plane, here x dash, here y dash. Then we take a class mark and frequency in xy plane and join that two nearest point by using the scale. See, the given example is same as it is. We take here 0 to 200, that is we extend this class and take frequency 0. Also last class is also extend by us and take frequency 0. Then class width of class mark is 10, means 0 plus 200 divided by 2 get 100. 200 plus 400 get 600 divided by 2, 300. 400 plus 600 get 1000 divided by 2, 500. In this way we find out the class mark. Sum of the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. We get the class mark of each class, and frequency as it is as given in the example. Then draw the x-axis and y-axis. In xy plane we take a point using the class mark and frequency. See, here the class mark on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. So take a 100 0 on the x-axis, then 300 and 250, 300 and 250 point here, then 500 and 300, here 500 and here 300, we get here point, then 700 and 450, here 400, 450, these are the points. Then 900 and 350, 900 and 350, then 1100 and 150, and lastly the frequency is 0, 1300 and 0 on the x-axis. In this way we put here the points on the xy plane Then connect each neighboring point by using the scale in this way. Then these 2 points, then these 2 points, then these 2 points, then these 2 points, and last point is x on the x-axis, and these 2 points are joined. In this way we draw the frequency polygon without using the histogram. This frequency polygon is drawn by using the histogram. Then we see the another method. Now we see the last method for representing the given frequency data by using the P diagram. Draw a P diagram. The age group and number of person whose the age group and number of persons who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pi diagram or P diagram from it. See in this table the age group in years are given, that is the 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. In this way the above is given age group of the peoples or a blood donor, number of a person that donate the blood in the camp, that is 80, 60, 35, 25, and total persons are 200 who are the donated the blood in camp. See, we must convert this 80, 60, 35, 25 into the measure of central angle of the P diagram, that is the angle of sector. Means we draw in this P diagram one circle. In that circle we know the one of the center. In that center there at that center we draw the some angles that, and we get the some area. That area is called the sector. आपण वर्तुळ केंद्रामध्ये एखादा कोन काढल्यानंतर जो भाग मिळतो त्याला आपण वर्तुळ पाकळी म्हणतो. त्यालाच आपण याच्यामध्ये सेक्टर म्हणतो. अँगल ऑफ सेक्टर इज थीटा. नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स divided by total number of persons into 360. This is the formula for finding the measure of center angle. See the first class 20 to 25 we find out here the measure for 80 per person. So write down here 80 into 360 divided by 200. If we this 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel, 2 divided by 4 is 8 divided by 2 we get 4. 4 into 36 we get 144. Then we find out the measure for this second class, that is the 25 to 30, means 60 divided by 200 total person into the person in that class. 60 divided by 200 into 360. These 2 0 cancel. 6 divided by 2 get 3. 3 into 36 get 108. Now similarly for this class 30 to 35. 35 divided by 200 into 360. Here 2 1 0 cancel. So we divide this 20. Here 20 we divide this 20 by 5 5 4 za 20, 5 7 za 35, then 4 9 za 36, and 9 7 za 63. We get here 63. Then similarly we can find out for the 25 persons, 25 divided by 200 into 360, then we get the 45 degree. In this way we find out the complete classes which is converted into the measure of the central class in degree. See, the addition of this 4 is again 360, means total measure of this circle is 360. That 360 is divided in this 4 sector. So first you must draw the one line that is the mark line or initial line in this way. Then we put a protector on that line which is matched to the 0 0 and measure the angle which is started from the 0 0 10 20 30 40 up to 144. Take here 144 1 point, then draw the line. This is the radius of the circle. We get here 144, and again take a 108. Then we put this protector in this way. The 0 line match to this angle here. 0 started from 0 to here 108. Take a point, then draw this line. We get here 108. Then again take a 63. Put this protector in this way and take a point. Then draw the line. We get here a 63 angle in the center, 63. Then remaining is the 45 degree. So in this way we draw these 4 sector angles and write down person of the age group 20 to 25, person of age group 25 to 30, and a person of age group 30 to 35, and a person of age group 35 to 40. In this way we draw the pie diagram or P diagram. The examples are taken from the 6.6 practices. There are also more examples. See the examples and complete the 6.6 practice set. Good day. Okay.